Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about Visualforce page. First, Visualforce is a web development framework used to design dynamic and attractive interfaces. Visualforce support all web technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, VBScript, Angular, etc. Visualforce contains set of ready-made tags. Visualforce support MVC development style. Next point is Visualforce component. There are two types of component in Visualforce. First one is Visualforce Markup. It contains set of tags used to design the user interfaces. Each tag should be prefixed with word apex. Second is Visualforce Controller. It contains business logic using by Visualforce page controls. Visualforce Controller is implemented using Apex, SOQL, SOSL, and DML statement. Next point is types of controller. There are three types of controller in Visualforce. First one is standard controller, second is custom controller, and last one is extension controller. We will learn controller in upcoming video. Next point is Visualforce method. Each variable and method exist inside the class will be referred as a merge field. These are the syntax of method. Next point is ready-made methods in Visualforce. These are the number of number of methods in Visualforce: save, quick save, cancel, delete, first, last, next, previous, has next, has previous. These are the methods. Next point is Visualforce advantages. First advantages of Visualforce is a MVC development style. Second is Visualforce has number of components. Third one is Visualforce can be integrated with HTML, CSS, Ajax, jQuery, and last advantages is Visualforce can be flexible and customizable with web technologies. These are the simple concept of Visualforce. I hope you can understand. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.